In this video, I'm showing you how to get Roblox voice chat and how to use it. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel, and once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. Please do watch this video right until the end to know the full steps to getting Roblox voice chat, as I'm showing you everything you need to know. So without any further ado, let's go and jump into this. So guys, as you can see, I'm now on Roblox.com on my desktop PC. Now this guide is also going to work if you're on a mobile device as well, and now let's go and jump straight into this. So the first thing we need to do is, as I said before, you do need to be 13 for this guide to work. But if you are 13 and that is set on Roblox, then all you want to do is go to the top right where you've got your settings cog, then you want to go and click on settings. Once you're here, it's going to take a minute to load, and as you can see, you want to make sure you click on account info, then scroll down, and as you can see, here is your birthday. Now what we need to do is essentially we're going to go and verify our age, and then that's the first step, and then there's a few other settings we need to go and change to go and get our voice chat. If you're worried about sharing your government ID with Roblox, if you go and check out their biometric privacy policy, it does say Roblox does not receive a copy or have access to your biometric data. Our provider Verif deletes your biometric data within 90 days after collection, so it is fairly safe and secure to do this. So make sure your birthday matches how it appears on your government ID, and as I said before, do make sure you're 13. Then once it's all set like this and you're ready to go and verify your age, go and click on verify my age just here, and then we're going to go and get this pop up here, and it's going to go and give us this QR code. Now if you're on a mobile device, you're just going to be taken into a new tab because our mobile device does have a camera. But because we're on a desktop browser, we have to do this QR code method. Now either you can go and download a QR code reader from your App Store or your Play Store, or most phones you can actually go and read QR codes in your camera. So for this example, I'm going to use my camera to go and use this QR code, but you can also go to the App Store as I just said. So go and open up the camera, and then it's going to go and pop it up just like this, and as you can see, it then gives this option here saying open Roblox.com in Safari. So I'm going to click here, and as you can see, it's now loading us here. Now we've got this message here saying let's get you verified. Roblox would like to confirm your identity, a process powered by Verif. Before you start, prepare a valid government issued ID, make sure in a well lit room, and be prepared to take a selfie and photos of your ID. So let's go and click on start session just like this, and you need to go and allow X access to the camera. And then the first thing we need to go and do is go and line up our ID. So of course this will be blurred out because I am showing personal information, but it's fairly straightforward. You just need to go and line your camera up with your ID and take a picture of it. And now as you can see, Roblox is now verifying this as well, and it's going to make sure everything is going to be correct. And there we go guys, we're literally within 30 seconds of taking the photos. As you can see, everything has been matched, and now we says we can go and return to our desktop browser. So here we go, I'm now on my desktop browser, and it says your age is now verified. So I'm going to go and click on close just like so, and just a quick note, if I do go and change my birthday, it's no longer going to be verified. And then what I found I had to do was go and refresh Roblox just like so. So go and press the refresh button, or just go and reopen and close the app if you're on a mobile device. Then you want to come down to privacy, click here, and boom, you're now going to have something called beta features. And as you can see, we can go and click on enable voice chat, and now voice chat isn't enabled. And as you guys can see, I'm now in Roblox jailbreak, and this game does have voice chat enabled. Simply go and press on ESC, and then you can go and mute yourself in the menu, or unmute yourself. So this is unmuted, everyone can now hear me. To go and mute it, then go and click it again. Now to go and make sure your right mic input is selected, click on settings, and then all you want to do is you can go and change your input device. You can go and choose how your sound is inputted into Roblox, so you may need to go and change that if it isn't working. But if I go and enable it, as you can see, this green bar does move when I speak. If I'm silent, it stops, as you can see, and there we go. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more videos just like this. Enjoy voice chat. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.